2021 Chevy Camaro RS LT1. Barely got 3,000 miles on it. What we got done on it, got factory 4 converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe, 2.5-inch system all the way back. And what we did is some FLOWMASTer Outlaws right there, the S's. And then 4-inch quad tips, blue flames. Came out really beautiful, as you guys can see. This is a present for his daughter, and I don't blame him. He has a good choice, so there it is right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And there's the muffler right there. Much better. Now it sounds like a Camaro. There's sound decibels. Again. 104. It peaked at like 109 earlier. It's so deep. I love the sound of it. Oh, it sounds amazing. Those tip choices perfect, the black and white. I like that. That's crazy. Go ahead and back it up. Go ahead. That sounds beautiful.